Dear student, today we start the topic of convergence and divergence of light. Here you know what is convergence of light. Firstly, we study the convergence of light. You know what is in by convergence of light. Here concave mirror is converging mirror and convex mirror is diverging mirror. You know what is in my convergence of light? Here we study the convergence of light by using the diagram. Here concave mirror, here center of curvature, and here pole of the mirror, here principal axis. When light rays are parallel to principal axis, all the light rays are parallel to principal axis, above the principal axis and below the principal axis, all reflected rays converge at a single point. All reflected rays converge or meet at a single point, and that is called convergence of light. Means reflected ray, why this reflected ray meet at a single point? Due to only the reflecting surface is a concave surface. Due to this concave surface, that all the light rays, that upper light rays can be directed downward here, and downward light rays can be directed to upward, and finally meet at a single point here, and that point is called a focus of concave mirror. That is called convergence of light. Then what is the definition of convergence of light? When light rays parallel to principal axis, then all reflected rays converge or meet at single point called focus of concave mirror, and this is called convergence of light. This is called convergence of light. This diagram can show how that light rays gets converged here. This light rays converge at a single point, and hence concave mirror is converging mirror. Important point is that concave mirror is converging mirror. Concave mirror is converging mirror, and convergence of light takes place through the concave mirror. Then dear student, what is in by divergence of light? Now here we study the divergence of light. Convex mirror is diverging mirror. Divergence of light here convex mirror is diverging mirror. Convex mirror is diverging mirror, and this divergence of light can be explained by using the diagram of convex mirror. Here convex mirror, and you know here that is center of curvature of convex mirror to the right side and behind the mirror. Here a pole of mirror, and you know here a principal axis. When light rays are parallel to principal axis, these light rays can be diverged, reflected rays can be diverged from the reflecting surface, and all the reflected rays appears to comes from a single point on the principal axis, hence that is called a diverging mirror. Look here, that appears to be comes from a single point. Here these lines can be denoted by a dots or dotted lines in our diagram, and that is called divergence of light. This is the diagram of divergence of light, and convex mirror is diverging mirror, and this point is called a focus of convex mirror. Look here, focus of concave mirror is in front of the reflecting surface, in front of the mirror, to left side of the mirror, and focus of convex mirror is to right side and behind the mirror, and that is said to be the divergence of light. Means reflected rays gets diverged from each other, and they appears to comes from a single point behind the mirror, appears to comes from the single point behind the mirror, and that is called divergence of light. Then what is the definition of divergence of light? When light rays parallel to principal axis, light rays parallel to principal axis or reflected rays diverge from each other and appears to comes from single point is called focus of convex mirror and called divergence of light, Dear student, when we explain the convergence and divergence, these diagrams are necessary. Hence your notes, you can draw this diagram and then that write down which mirror is converging mirror and which mirror is diverging mirror. This topic is also useful for you to write the difference between concave mirror and convex mirror, and is a very important topic related to draw the diagram or ray diagram by using the concave and convex mirror. Thank you.